Hello, hello. This is our second day here in Georgia, and I am making this video for this boy, little boy here, to remember what we did when we are in Georgia when he was 2. And this is our hotel breakfast. It's included with what we avail with the hotel. And yeah, I like how they make their breakfast. There is also chicken. Can you believe? Chicken in the breakfast. Why not? And there is rice. And being a Filipino, I like eating rice in the morning. So that is a plus. And every day they are changing some of the menus for the breakfast. So I like that because we stay here for 6 days. The first day, we didn't do anything at all. We just rest. So this is our balcony in the hotel. This is our view. The city itself is a little bit old. Let's just say that. And it is because of how many countries were trying to invade them. So this is a sad, a little bit sad Europe country. Actually, they are not yet included in the European Union, but they wanted to. So after breakfast, we dressed up, we packed our things, and we head to the city to buy SIM card for internet. And look at this boy, it's so lamig. And we passed by to this park. We sat down because this boy is already asleep. So, ayan. From here, you can see the Kura River and we saw boats. So, we were thinking to just ride it. And at first, because we don't know yet the city, syempre naligaw. And ito ay paahon. Super paahon. And ito yung mga time na nag-isip na kami, nagsisisihan kami mag-asawa. Kung tama ba ang aming pinagagawa sa buhay. Anyway, from here, marami nang nag-aalok ng tours to different parts of the city and we chose this one. And this caravan brought us to the boat station. So, in the boat, we are with people from Kyrgyzstan, from India, and I forget the couple where they are from. And here it is. He just woke up, the little boy. He's not yet in tune. From here, you can see the Peace Bridge, and you can see here their parliament, and you can see the Kura River itself. So, ayan. Makita mo, walang kalat, walang nagtatapon, and napaka-discipline na. Tugtugan, may jugjugan, walang ganon. Tugstugan, ganon lang. Tapos, etong city na to is made of maraming pesel, statues. And, ayan, ina-explain sa amin nung driver kung ano yung meron sa city, kung ano yung mga history, and malalaman mo yung history ng every places. Ang cute ng batang ito, sino nanay mo? So, ayan, eto, pinakita yung parang, waterfall daw. Pero parang di ako, convinced. Anyway, yung mga views pa lang, talagang busog na yung mata mo. Ayan, ang accommodating ng driver. Pinagbigyan niya si Ronan na mag-drive ng aming boat. And of course, ayan, ang cute ng mga ladies from Kyrgyzstan. Sobrang ang saya nila. Tumatayo sila, nagsasayaw sila sa gitna ng boat. And of course, my baby also, hindi naman siya magpapahuli. Ilabas mo ang iyong pagka-Pilipino. Here, medyo nahihiya pa ng very light. Na nga, ayan, bubuelo lang, ayan siya, talagang buhay na ang kanyang energy, puno na ulit. And makikita nyo, ito na yung loob ng river, bumaba na kami, and mapapansin mo dito may mga hayop kasi may bayad yung pa-picture sa kanila, so hindi namin sila inavail kasi feeling ko animal cruelty yun. And ayan, makikita mo, takbo-takbo lang siya. Wala akong ginawa sa trip na to kundi magpulot ng sapatos, ng medyas or ng sombrero at maghabol sa bata na ito. Kapag may bata ka, kailangan mo talaga ng full energy. Talaga nga namang for the takbo ang iyong mga trip-tripan. And yan, may hot air balloon. It also, pwede kang sumakay dyan and of course, may bayad. So, ayan na naman kami. Takbuhan na kami ng takbuhan. Wala kami ginawa Hindi magtakbuhan at maghabol na maghabol. Kasi ang batang ito, pag tumakbo, wala siyang pakialam. Hindi siya takot. Wala siyang kinatatakutan. So, after we had walked the city, rode the caravan and the boat, now, ito naman ang trip ng pamilyang ito to ride the aerial tram going to the Mother of Georgia. And while there, ayan, bigla na lang nilang pinaglalagay kay Rami yung mga birds na ito. And, ayun na, we were got caught. Kahit ayaw namin to kasi feeling ko nga, miskinim yung mga animals. But anyway, we finished from there, and this is the Mother of Georgia, a statue. One hand is holding a sword for the enemy, and the one hand is wine for friends. So, eto ang view from the Mother of Georgia, and it's all forest. And, you know, I don't know what's wrong with my mind with this beautiful view, but what's happening in my mind is like, what happened if I get lost in this forest? Like, sa ganda ng view, yun ang naisip ni Inday. Anyway, eto yung makikita mo habang naglalakad ka doon sa fortress. Can you believe kung gaano kadaming Filipino ang aming na-meet dito sa Tbilisi? Sobrang dami. From Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi, and they were all here for vacation. And here, I did a mistake for not buying anything, any souvenirs or what, because in my mind, we can get back here. We're just looking at the prices. And here, again, going down, we got in the tram. And from here, you can see the full view of the city. The city itself is very nice. It's very good. Everything is accessible. Kung palalakad ka, go. And also, kahit na hindi ka palalakad, mura lang din. Kaya lang napansin lang namin sa city, the drivers were all crazy drivers. Like, they don't look and they don't give a S to anyone. Basta go lang sila ng go. Ilang beses naming sinabihan yung driver, muti ka na kami masagasaan. And from here, nandito kami ulit kasi dito yung babaan sa may Peace Bridge. And, ayan, we decided na to go and find something to eat for dinner. And of course, nandito kami sa Georgia. Of course, kakain kami ng kanilang pinagmamalaking King Kali and Kachipuri. And ito yung kachipuri, made of dough and butter and live egg. Siguro hindi lang kami friendship ng live egg, kaya hindi medyo pack na pack sa amin. Pero yung dough, ang galing nila gumawa. Sarap. And yan, meron din kaming, yan ito yung King Kali. Order kami ng King Kali na veal ang loob and yung King Kali na cheese. Ito yung kinakain ko. Kung alam nyo yung Xiaolongbao, much more like Xiaolongbao siya kasi meron siyang soup sa loob, and this is how they eat it. And also we ordered this chicken with vegetable, also Georgian food. That's all for the half of the day, and we decided to go back to our hotel and freshen up, and then we'll go out for the Christmas village. So here, dumating na kami sa Christmas village. And maraming rides. Dalawang park siya na ginawang Christmas village. So, sobrang haba niya. Malawak siya. Outstanding. Ang mga ginawang designs and pailaw and everything. Merong mga food corner, kakainan, mga pang Christmas, alam nyo naman. Ganon, meron din mga rides for the kids, ranging from 3 lari to 15 lari. Kaya lang ayaw ni Ronan. Ayan, may mga Instagrammable din nga namang mga places. Pero dahil may bata kami, we skip na almost some of those na maraming tao. So, this night, it's 3 degrees Celsius. It's cold, yes. But because you're excited and you are happy and you keep on running, keep on walking, you don't feel that coldness. But still, you can feel that it's really cold because your breath looks like this. When you hear the noises, it's my son. He's playing next to me and I cannot do anything about it while doing this recording. So, dito sa Christmas Village, marami kang makita, marami kang pwedeng pagpicturan kung anong gusto mong kainin, marami ka din pwedeng makain, pancakes, chocolates, strawberry with chocolate, candies, barbecue, everything. And because we just ate before we came here, we just opted for strawberry and chocolate and pancake for me and Rami, because Ronan not really, you know. So here, medyo late na to, mga around 9:30 to 10, etong time na to.
Who's that? Samat Bear! Bear! He's the bear!
Ayan, hindi rin naman magpapahuli ang Inday. Umaarte-arte. Anyway, yan, magaganda yung mga designs ng lights. And we opted, ito yung half part ng Christmas Village. And ayan, mas maganda yung mga views dito, mas madaming for Christmas. Ito yung Christmas train, you can get inside, pero hindi na kami pumasok. And a lot of Christmas trees, and maraming pailaw and designs for Christmas. Talaga nga namang pinag-isipan, and talagang mag-e-enjoy ka dito kahit siguro. We bought bread, dried bread, Armenian cake. Dito pa uwi na kami, nag-order kami ng Bolt, going to our hotel, and amazed kami kasi pwede pa na dito left-hand driver and right-hand driver, like, pwede sa isang country, like. So, this is how we wrap up our night, and this is what happened in our second day here in Tbilisi, Georgia. That's it. Bye!